You will never catch me staying in my room the whole day, especially if it's my day off. Kay laagan gud kaayo ko, so labi na kapag bored ko. I went to one of the newest cafes here in town to try their best-selling coffee, the cappuccino latte. So kani siya nga laag is unplanned and I always love it. I love the ambience of this place because of its vibrant color, and this is actually my second time to dine in this cafe. All of the stops are entertaining and friendly. No wonder ginabalik-balikan gud siya guys sa mga tao and customers nila. So nag-stop over day mi diri kay mamalingki mi kay mamalit mi mga lutunan for lunch, and I am the host for today's eat out. Wala oily nga gay balhin-balhin na akong kape sa isa ka baso, but anyways mura og buang dira. Nagkaon na day mig guys breakfast around 6:30 AM na yata na. So nagkaon na lang mi daan kay para dire-diretso na unya pag abot na mo palengke, and my friend actually bought bread but ang sanang iyang gipalit gihatag niya kay tatay kay gay pangayuan siya